Hello friends, I am Bikram and I welcome you to my channel Travel and Celebrate with me. Today, I and my family are going to Abhayapuri. After I reach the place, I will tell you where we are actually going. We are now at Jonia, the outskirts of Barpeta town. Now we are crossing one of the tributaries of the mighty river Ganga, which is Beki River. This river flows straight from Bhutan to Assam. It touches many towns like Mathanguri, Naranguri, Udalguri, Barpeta Road, Sharbog, Kolgasia and many more. This river comes from Himalayan glacier. Crossing Bhutan, it comes in Assam and joins the mighty river Brahmaputra, which further flows into Bay of Bengal, Bangladesh. This river is also known as Purissu River. The bridge over the Beki River is very beautiful. The scenic beauties, as you can see in my video, is thrilling. I appreciate the scenic beauty. I am enjoying the road trip to Abhayapuri. Now, as we are going, we are crossing many small villages like Chenimari. It is a small village in Kolgasia, Barpeta district, Assam. It is 26 kilometers away from Barpeta. The block or tehsil of this village is Senga. Now, as we are going, the valley is very beautiful and mind-blowing. It is fascinating how pretty the valley is. How you feel after looking the valley? Please comment in my video. Bongaigaon is another village in Kolgasia, Barpeta district, Assam. It is 27 kilometers away from its district headquarters, which is Barpeta town. The block or tehsil of the village is Kolgasia. It is also a very small but full of natural elements, as you can see in my video. The villages about which I talked so far were in Barpeta district. After Barpeta district, we are now in Bongaigaon district. Santoshpur is another village which is situated in the Bongaigaon district. The block or tehsil of the village is Srijan Gram. This town is very near to Abhayapuri. Abhayapuri is the destination where we are going. After you cross Santoshpur, you reach a small village in the name Lentisinga. This village is also located in Bongaigaon district of Assam. It is 30 kilometers away from its district headquarters, which is Srijan Gram. After that, we reach Abhayapuri town. We are going to Astha Nature's Home, a famous tourist attraction of Bongaigaon district. It is 21 kilometers away from Bongaigaon and 37 kilometers away from Barpeta. Astha Nature's Home is actually a park. If I talk about the town of Abhayapuri, which is in Bongaigaon district, the town also has a long history. It was the third capital of ancient Bijni kingdom, established by the king Bijni Narayan in 1671. People of Koch Rajbangshis live here. They are very old and they are as old as the epic Mahabharata. Many other Purans also record the name of this town. Festivals like Holi, Diwali, Durga Puja, Kali Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja and other festivals are celebrated here. There are actually three main tourist attractions in here, where the tourists are attracted the most. These tourist attractions are full of natural elements and also the one where we are going. The list of the three main tourist attractions are as follows. Koya Kujia Eco Park, Astha Nature's Home and Kakoijana Reserve Forest. Astha Nature's Home is a eco park where we are at currently, settled in the foothills of Bongaigaon Hills. After that, you can too go to Kakoijana Reserve Forest. Kakoijana Reserve Forest is especially famous for the visibility of golden langurs. If you don't know what golden langurs is, then it is an endangered species of monkeys which is very rare. The food house or the food court where food is being provided is above that lake which I talked recently. There is a way through which you can go to the food house. There are hanging plants and flowers in the house. Seating system is also done here. The most beautiful part of this food house, as per my personal opinion, is the hanging plants and flowers. They seem to be very good and they add up to the natural beauty. In this park, the beauty of nature is at its peak. Now let's talk about where we are at current. We are at Astha Nature's Home. As you can see in my video, the park is full of natural elements like trees, flowers, a small lake, animals, mountain at the backside and some ducks as well which are swimming freely in the pond. This tour is very refreshing. The gardens are very good. I appreciate the natural beauty of this park. If I talk about the cost of the entry tickets, then it is rupees 20 per person. You can come with your family and enjoy the scenic beauties which are thrilling, as you can see in my video. The park is well maintained. Above all, it is clean. The park is well maintained. You can also see a dog sitting there. You can too stay in the cottages which are being provided here. The weather is pleasant and we are enjoying the weather. You can also play here with your friends and families. Slide, seesaw and merry-go-round are being provided here. You can enjoy the lake view and can spend the time here happily. Also, you can do boating here in the lake which I talked about. It is very good to spend your time here. The trip is very relaxing. As we move to the next part of the park, the scenic view changes drastically. What I mean by the change is that we could see clearly the Bongaigaon hills, flowers, plants, trees, and lake at the same time. If you stay here, You can enjoy many other activities in and around Astha Nature's home, like jungle trekking in Bongaigaon Hills, which is the nearest hill to this park. Outdoor night stay, bird watching, butterfly watching, boating, cycling, and many more activities are done here. You can also enjoy eating the famous traditional Assamese food here in the food house. Everything is facilitated here. There are benches provided here where you can sit and relax and spend your time. I definitely recommend you that you come here, spend some time with your friends and families, and you will too feel very good as I am feeling right now. There are many useful fruit giving trees also here, like the jackfruit tree and the star fruit. The ducks which are floating in the water makes the view more attractive. Some fishes are also here, deep in the water. showing you the distances from various places of Assam to Abhayapuri district. Now, I am going to share my experience with you. We reached here at Astha Nature's home at around 12:30 pm. The park is good and maintained well. It is clean and many seasonal flowers bloom here. Marigold is the common flower which you will find almost everywhere in the park. We enjoyed a lot here. This place is well blessed with natural things. In my personal opinion, you can visit this park if you want to. I highly recommend you. You can come here with your friends and families, spend some time, and you will also feel that yes, this park is very nice. I have made a lot of efforts to make this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share your experiences with me. Tell me how this park, as per your opinion, is.